So I recently read this incredible book about animal perception, including human animals, the different ways that different animals sense and interpret and understand the world around them. And one of the things that I learned, which I thought was really cool, is that ants can see in the ultraviolet. And the way that was figured out is a scientist was studying what would happen to ants if you shone light on them. Would they like move out of the way or try to avoid it? And so he used a prism to break up the light into a rainbow. The ants didn't like any colors of the rainbow, but he realized that the ants also avoided light beyond the blue end of the visible wavelength, which meant that they could see beyond the blue end of the visible wavelength, which means that they can see in the ultraviolet. We now know that actually lots of animals can see in the ultraviolet. We can't. Maybe we used to be able to, like way back in our history, evolving as whatever came before humans. But for whatever reason, it wasn't useful information for us and we stopped being able to sense it. There's a bunch of creatures that sensing the ultraviolet is actually really valuable for them. Bees can see in the ultraviolet, and flowers have different colors in the UV. They like make almost like a little bullseye for some flowers that if you can see in the ultraviolet, the flower is telling the bee like, come here to the center. Ants can see in the ultraviolet. Certain types of animals can see it, especially because it's easy to see ultraviolet light reflection off water, things like that. I just thought that was so cool that like the ants could see parts of the spectrum that the human scientists running the experiment couldn't even see.